Umentri Rangba Akajala Conrad Sangma Kumu Kongsan, Rengkat Bad Umentri Katanat Sports and Youth Affairs, Upa Shakler Wajri Kum Usimbut Kongsan, Negas Balang Kila Play Kanongse Indoor Stadium. Haganegajing Play ke Indoor Stadium, Kabalate Hagajing Lut Kabashiklur, Southway Laktinka, Lairon Lang Kamentri Kakot Kakia Kakong Amprin Lingdo, UMLA Barim Mylliem Ubolongru Unong Aibut Jong Umentri Rangba Akajala Uba Hamlet Sundoling, the Director Jong Sports and Youth Affairs Kong Isawanda Lalu, Urang Bashnong Garaj Saukur Nongse ba AL Thank You, President Kanongse Sports Social and Cultural Club ba Daniel M Thank You, but QA. Umentri Rangba ulo ang baudap da kajing sutanat banyo playa kani ke Indoor Stadium, kamtam haba hagi arnelais na minchwa, ulawan baruba Hamlet Sundoling, banbu yu mau nongrim, bantay kani ke Indoor Stadium.
I would like to see this place become active and guide the youth on how you could get different schemes of the government. So my message to you today is that while we are doing all this work, this is meaningless until unless the community and the society and we all put our heart and soul and effort into really making a difference for our youth. And we can't do it alone. We finish this inauguration program and we will leave. But after that, the real work starts. And hence I do hope that in the coming days, this place could be an example to the rest of the city and the rest of the state to show how a community can come together with the support of the government and working with the youth. We can transform, create opportunities and lead our youth into the right direction. Because I keep telling everybody that the youth is our greatest asset and our greatest resource. If we as a state and as a country will succeed in the future, it will be because of the investment we make in our youngsters. So please remember that what we're doing today is not a building inauguration. We are not building an indoor stadium. We are investing in the future of our children. This is the mindset with which we all need to work, and I do hope that we will continue to do that, and I can assure you of full support from my side in order to achieve those goals. I'm happy to announce that you have asked for a stadium and a field to be prepared out here, which is, I would say, the playground that is there. And I'm happy to announce that a total of 2.1 crores is going to be sanctioned for the stadium and for the football ground to be made out.